Chromatography method optimization for one parameter. Open your experiments in ACD Spectris processor and perform the appropriate processing for each. Ensure that your peaks are tracked and named appropriately. You can do this in the table of peaks. Highlight all experiments and select the Transfer to LC Simulator button. Select the desired optimization mode. Verify that the combined table has been populated correctly. Ensure all of the required HPLC parameters are entered. These are shown in bold. Methods can be optimized right away by selecting Yes. Select No to adjust options. Current suitability factors for each method are shown on the left, and each method is shown in the table in the middle. The mathematically modeled chromatogram is shown in black. The experimental chromatogram is shown in green and can be overlaid to visually assess the model. Users can manually adjust the parameters on the resolution map, and model chromatogram can be dynamically updated. The critical pair of peaks for resolution are shown in red. Select the Generate Methods button to have the software produce methods for you. You can adjust the desired suitability options. Suitability options can be visualized by clicking Apply. Select OK to generate methods. Select a method in the table of methods to visualize. You can manually modify generated methods. Select the lock to ensure the original method remains unchanged. The software suggests that a mobile phase pH of 9.1 would meet the suitability options. The modeled chromatogram can be exported back to Spectris processor to compare to experimental. Thanks for watching.